Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Check this out. I found this little iFlight Alpha 1S FPV VOOP on my table and I was like, when did it arrive? I actually completely forgot about it. And then I just bound it to my Radiomaster TX16S, put on my goggles, and when I flew it, man, this 1S VOOP can definitely move. And it's just absolute fun to FPV VOOP around your house. Have fun with it. It has power, it has punch, it has performance. I just wish my batteries weren't like crappy and swollen, but apart from that, this thing really moves. Go ahead and enjoy the flight.